Take a gentle breath and allow yourself to arrive in this peaceful moment. These affirmations are created to help you feel calmer, stronger, more loved, and more connected with the beautiful power already living within you. As you listen, let each word softly enter your heart and remind you that you are worthy of peace, happiness, healing, love, abundance, and all good things. For the best results, listen to these affirmations every day for 21 days with an open heart and a quiet mind, and allow these positive words to slowly reprogram your thoughts with love, hope, and faith. You do not have to force anything right now. Just relax, receive, and let these affirmations guide you back to the truth of who you are. Now gently close your eyes if it feels safe for you, or simply soften your gaze. Let your body relax, let your shoulders drop, and allow your heart to open to these words with ease. You do not need to try hard. You do not need to be perfect. You are simply here breathing, receiving, and remembering your own light. Every affirmation you hear is a loving reminder that you are already enough, already worthy, and already supported in more ways than you can see. I am safe in this moment, and I allow peace to move through my mind, my body, and my heart. I am not rushing my healing, and I am not forcing my growth. I trust that every breath is bringing me closer to calm, closer to clarity, and closer to the beautiful version of myself that has always been within me. I am learning to speak to myself with kindness, patience, and love, because I deserve gentle words, gentle thoughts, and gentle care. I am worthy of love, even on the days when I feel unsure. I am worthy of happiness, even when life feels quiet or heavy. I am worthy of beautiful blessings, even when I cannot yet see how they are coming. I open my heart to receive goodness in peaceful ways, and I remind myself that I do not have to chase what is meant for me. I can breathe, trust, and allow life to meet me with grace. I am becoming more peaceful with every thought I choose. I release the need to hold on to fear, doubt, or old stories that no longer support my heart. I give myself permission to feel lighter today. I allow my mind to rest from overthinking, and I choose thoughts that bring comfort, hope, and strength. I am not my past. I am not my worries, and I am not the voice of fear. I am in love. I am light, and I am growing beautifully. I am grateful for this moment because it is helping me return to myself. I am grateful for my breath, my heart, my journey, and the quiet strength that has carried me through so much. I honor myself for still being here, still trying, still believing, and still opening my heart to something better. I may not have everything figured out, but I trust that I am being guided step by step, gently and lovingly. I am open to positive change. I welcome new peace, new confidence, new hope, and new blessings into my life. I allow myself to believe the good things can happen for me in simple, natural, and beautiful ways. I am no longer closing my heart because of what happened before. I am opening myself to a new chapter, a softer chapter, a chapter filled with healing, love, abundance, and deep inner peace. I am enough exactly as I am, and I am also allowed to grow. I do not have to compare my path with anyone else's path. My timing is sacred, my journey is meaningful, and my progress matters. Even small steps are still steps forward. Even quiet healing is still healing. Even when I cannot see the full picture, I trust that something beautiful is unfolding for me. I am surrounded by love, even when I feel alone. I am supported by life, even when I do not understand everything. I am guided toward peace, even when the road feels unclear. I choose to believe that I am never forgotten, never unworthy, and never too late. My life is still becoming something beautiful, and I allow myself to receive that truth with an open and grateful heart. I am gentle with myself today. I forgive myself for the times I judged myself too harshly. I forgive myself for not knowing better, for carrying too much, and for trying to be strong when I needed rest. I now choose to hold myself with compassion. I am allowed to begin again. I am allowed to feel better. I am allowed to let peace return to me slowly, softly, and naturally. I am attracting thoughts that support my peace and my highest good. I am choosing words that heal me, strengthen me, and remind me of my worth. I am becoming more confident in who I am, more trusting of my journey, and more open to the blessings that are already moving toward me. I am a beautiful soul with a loving heart, and I deserve a life filled with calm, joy, love, and abundance. I am ready to receive more peace than I have known before. I am ready to feel safe in my own heart. I am ready to believe in myself with more love and less fear. I allow every affirmation to plant a seed of hope inside me, and I trust that these seeds are growing in perfect time. I am loved, I am guided, I am protected, and I am becoming more aligned with the beautiful energy of my true self. I am allowing my heart to feel safe again. I do not need to protect myself from every possible fear, because I am learning to trust the quiet wisdom within me. I am guided by love, not pressure. I am guided by peace, not panic. With every soft breath, I remind myself that I am here, I am present, and I am held by a power greater than my worries. I let calm energy enter my mind, and I let loving energy surround my soul. I am choosing to believe that life can become easier for me. I release the thought that everything has to be difficult. I release the feeling that I must struggle to deserve happiness. I now open myself to ease, support, kindness, and beautiful opportunities. I am worthy of receiving without feeling guilty. I am worthy of resting without feeling behind. I am worthy of being blessed in ways that feel peaceful, natural, and deeply comforting. I am grateful for the strength inside me, even when it feels quiet. I have survived moments I once thought would break me, and still there is love in my heart. Still there is hope inside me. Still there is a soft light within me that continues to shine. I honor the courage it has taken to keep going, to keep healing, and to keep believing that better days are possible for me. I am becoming more connected to my true self. I am no longer trying to become someone else just to be accepted. I am learning to love my own energy, my own heart, my own timing, and my own journey. I do not need to be perfect to be loved. I do not need to prove my worth to receive good things. I am already enough, and I allow this truth to settle deeply into my heart. I am releasing old pain with love and patience. I do not force myself to forget, but I allow myself to be free. I let go of what is too heavy for my spirit. I let go of thoughts that keep me small. I let go of memories that no longer need to control my peace. I bless my past for what it taught me, and I gently return my attention to the beauty of this present moment. I am open to miracles in simple and quiet ways. I welcome small signs of hope, small moments of peace, and small blessings that remind me life is still good. I do not need everything to change at once. I trust the gentle process of becoming. I trust that every loving thought is helping me shift into a better energy. I trust that what is meant for me can find me with ease. I am speaking to myself with love today. I choose words that comfort me, support me, and help me rise. I no longer speak to myself as if I am my enemy. I am my own safe place. I am my own gentle friend. I am learning to encourage myself in every season of life. I deserve kindness from others, and I deserve kindness from myself first. I am attracting peace into every part of my life. Peace in my thoughts, peace in my body, peace in my heart, and peace in my surroundings. I allow calm to replace tension. I allow trust to replace fear. I allow hope to replace doubt. I am not rushing ahead or holding on too tightly. I am breathing, receiving, and allowing life to unfold with softness and grace. I am worthy of beautiful relationships, loving words, honest support, and peaceful connections. I release the need to chase love or beg for care. I allow the right people, the right energy, and the right blessings to meet me where I am. I am loved for who I truly am. I am respected, valued, and appreciated. I welcome relationships that feel safe, kind, balanced, and full of warmth. I am stepping into a new feeling of confidence. Not the kind that is loud or forced, but the kind that is calm, steady, and rooted in love. I trust myself more each day. I trust my choices, my growth, my healing, and my ability to create a beautiful life. I am not behind. I am not lost. I am gently becoming the person I was always meant to be. I am allowing my mind to become a peaceful place for me. I no longer give all my energy to thoughts that make me feel small, afraid, or unworthy. I gently choose thoughts that lift me, support me, and remind me that I am deeply loved by life. My inner world is becoming softer, calmer, and more beautiful. I am learning to rest inside my own heart, knowing that I am safe, I am enough, and I am always growing in the right direction. I am open to receiving more joy in simple moments. I welcome the quiet comfort of a deep breath, the beauty of a new day, the warmth of kind words, and the peaceful feeling of being present. I do not need to wait for everything to be perfect before I feel grateful. I can find little blessings around me right now. I allow these small blessings to fill my heart with hope, peace, and gentle happiness. I am becoming more trusting of life's timing. I release the pressure to have everything happen exactly when I want it to happen. I trust that what is meant for me is unfolding in a way that supports my highest good. I may not see every step, but I can feel that I am being guided. I choose patience, faith, and peace. I believe that beautiful things are still coming into my life in the right way. I am deeply worthy of abundance in every form. I welcome abundance of love, abundance of peace, abundance of health, abundance of joy, abundance of support, and abundance of beautiful opportunities. I do not need to limit what life can bring to me. I open my heart to receive more goodness than I expected. I allow myself to feel deserving, blessed, and supported as I move forward with love and confidence. I am returning to the truth of who I am. I am not my fear. I am not my doubt. And I am not the heavy thoughts that sometimes pass through my mind. I am a loving soul, a peaceful presence, and a beautiful light in this world. I honor my journey with compassion. I trust my growth with patience. I welcome this moment with love, and I allow these affirmations to keep guiding me gently back to myself. Now take one more deep and gentle breath and allow these words to settle softly into your heart. You do not need to carry everything at once. You do not need to have all the answers today. In this peaceful moment, you are allowed to rest, you are allowed to receive, and you are allowed to believe that something beautiful is unfolding for you. Every positive word you have heard is now planted like a loving seed within you, growing quietly, gently, and perfectly in its own time. I am peaceful. I am worthy. I am safe. I am supported. I am enough. I am open to blessings, healing, joy, abundance, and love. I trust my path. I trust my heart. And I trust the beautiful timing of my life. I release fear. I release doubt. And I release the need to control every little thing. I allow myself to feel calm, guided, and deeply connected to the loving energy around me. As you move forward from this moment, carry this soft truth with you. You are not behind. You are not forgotten, and you are not alone. You are growing in quiet ways. You are healing in beautiful ways. You are becoming more aligned with peace, love, and positive energy each day. Let these affirmations continue to support your mind, comfort your heart, and remind you of the light that has always been within you. Thank you for spending this peaceful time here. If these affirmations brought comfort to your heart, please like this video, share it with someone who may need gentle words of encouragement, and comment your favorite affirmation below. Your words may also become a blessing for someone else who is listening. And if you want more healing and empowering affirmations like this, please subscribe to the channel and come back whenever your heart needs peace, love, and support. Until next time, breathe gently, trust yourself, and remember that you are loved, you are worthy, and beautiful things are always possible for you.